It's not like playing at home by yourself.
First I was thinking I would love to go back there, but then in the other hand, no. My name is Anna, I'm from Finland, I'm just turned 24 and I'm a student. I'm studying Russian language and culture. For me it was so good, but now I would love to go to a different, for example, like more people and less work. But I would go to a place where the work isn't that important, or that they don't rely on you that much, because there it was like we were part of the group, that we really had to be there. It wasn't like, okay, I'm gonna skip this turn. We were the volunteers and we were working with the organizers, but really they took us into the whole, the inside group. So if I would go there as an audience, I wouldn't have met those people and the whole, the behind scenes atmosphere. Time was like flowing there. It wasn't like these music festivals that I've been to, like the night starts here and this is the party time or the event time. It was going on all the time. The films they were showed during the daytime and then evening time, and even like Mansiali Square really late, and they had the beach area and some food and band and music, and it was like there wasn't that much this like a special program, but it was all there, you could sense it, and even in the people. I was working in this like reception in the camp, so I was working there, taking names, who are coming and who are going. Mostly actually it was just sitting there because it was quite, quiet, the camp area there. Before that we had some general tasks like carrying a lot of chairs or like putting the area ready. So it was so different before we came, like the 2 days, and then it was like 5 days, this different, totally different work. I wasn't expecting that, but it was nice because you get to meet new people there. It was mostly Slovenian people, of course, but just people together in the small village, which comes like it's so different during the festival than other times. So it was cool. First, an experience or touch to Slovenia I got through my mom and brother who came here because we were supposed to have a family holiday here. But then I got this like a virus or something, so I couldn't travel, and I was kind of like really disappointed. But I got a lot of chocolate, so it was fine. But then they just loved Slovenia so much that ever since I had this, like I have to kind of be them, I have to be there as well. Then I took a course in my university this spring about Slavic nations and languages, and I really got interested in Slovenia. I started checking the work camps, maybe in Croatia, maybe like in Slovenia, and then I saw that there was like actually quite a lot in those countries during this period, and then I just saw that there was Kinodok on the coast, and I ended up in Slovenia. I never heard about it like before, and I was trying to get some information from their webpage and just check in advance, but it was like nothing I expected, but in a good way, like really good way, because I never been in a film festival and I love films myself, so it was like, for me it was like a dream. It was really good.